I can never get there in time to be able to accelerate, but I wanted to press I wanted to press the throttle body, the throttle, and give it a bit of acceleration. I've got fuel in the bowl. Definitely got fuel in the bowl, which is good. That's a good sign. So I might have a chance to start this thing again. I'm gonna spray another amount in there to help it start again, and then give it another try. This time I'm gonna be standing way back. Let's see if I even get anywhere this time around. I'll be ready, and I've got the wrong hand to do this. I can't really do both, so I'm in trouble here. Oh boy. Oh boy, how am I gonna do this? One-handed, cranking, pedaling. I can't even turn the key. Left-handed. Oh boy, this is awkward. How am I gonna do this? It's not cranking now. It's locked up. That is the most I've ever had out of this car. I'm gonna put the throttle. I'm gonna put the cold, what do you call it? The choke on. Got a bit of smoke there. I hope that's natural. That could just be oil. Well guys, we are lucky. The car's running. Take that fuel out of the way. Wow. Let's see if the fuel gauge works. Does the fuel gauge work? How much does it show? Switch on the power. Oh, looks like. Wow, it's very dim. Fuel gauge is working, it seems. Oh, interior light. Well, yeah. Temperature, I hope it works. Interior light is working as well. Guys, well. Let's see, pressure. Let me add a little bit of pressure into it. Pressure's good. I'm gonna take that off. Removing the pressure tester. I'm gonna add some more water. I'll be back, guys. That does not look very good, does it now? Very, very dirty, but it's flowing. It's flowing. That's the main thing. It's flowing. Wow. It's running, guys. It's running. That is the main idea here. Beautiful. Carburetor. Guys, you don't understand how happy I am right now. This little 1974 is running. Wow. There's a lot of compression. The engine sounds healthy. The engine sounds healthy enough, guys. I feel confident that we may have struck gold with this. Let me pause it for a second. All right, guys. We're lucky. I'm very, very lucky. I've got the choke on right now. I might just take that choke off a little bit. Hopefully it'll stay running. Gotta take that easy. I don't know what the idle's like. If I can keep it going, that'd be wonderful. Ooh, it's still going. Well, choke is all the way off. We still got idle. That's one really good sign. Okay. Do these buttons work? No, I don't know. Actually leave that. Oh, oh, I got lighting issues. Sorry, guys. Let me do that again. I got lighting issue here. I'm really happy to see that things like that are working. Headlights. Let me switch off everything so that we can actually I'll put you out there. Headlights are down here. Let's see if they'll turn on. Oh, they turn on. They work. Well, why is this falling? I don't get it. Who's knocking it down? There's nobody here but me. Okay, fan. Well, that works. Temperature gauge is starting to rise just a little bit there now. So that's working. I've got it open so I don't want it to compress too much, to get too hot, because I know it's going to leak out. There's a pinhole in one of the pipes, and it needs a couple of clamps as well. Hazard works. I hope it stays running. I'm scared to switch it off now because I've been trying for days to start this thing, and all of a sudden it starts. Radio. It's an old memory setting. You gotta press the buttons like that. That's how you used to set your memory on your radio back in those days. It was just big mechanical buttons. And volume, nothing. Tune, nothing. So there's something wrong here. Don't know. We'll figure it out. The speaker wires is here, so that's very easy to. Whoa, they're touching. How can that be? Who connected this? Who connected this? How in the world are they gonna work if they're connected together? Left and right are connected together. Come on, that doesn't make sense. Look at that. That's a radio. That does not make sense. You're asking for trouble here. I don't know what this is. Okay guys, I'm gonna see if I could pull this apart. I'm pretty sure it's the speaker wires. It goes right behind the radio. That is weird. Very weird. Let's just check on the cooling system. See, I've got some leaks already. I can see right down there. You see a drip. So there's definitely something wrong with that pipe. That pipe will need to be replaced. Let's see if I can zoom you in. Right there, rusty old pipe. I'm pretty sure that's gonna need welding, maybe brazing, or maybe it's a clamp on the top. Water pump is flowing. I can tell by the how much water I can see flowing past in the radiator there. This radiator is probably fine. I'll probably remove it at some point and give it a good flush, get it cleaned up nicely, and then put it back. I hope those fans work. I don't know. I haven't checked the fans. I haven't got it hot enough to get the fans to work. I'm going to top it up one more time. Put the cap on. Hopefully it will hold pressure. Well, I'll just leave it running like that. We can get to the fan another time. Oh, I wanted to check the voltage. I wonder if I put a voltmeter nearby and check that. So let's check the voltage here. 13.5. It's an old engine, and the alternator is old. So that is exactly what I'm expecting for an old engine with old components. That is pretty normal. It will probably rise if I give it a rev. But that's more than enough for this kind of car. There's nothing much, doesn't need much power to make this function. Look at that little meter, it's flashing crazy. That's flashing probably because of the point system in this distributor. It's got a sensor built in to sense. There you go. When I put my hand in front of it, it stops. Wow, I didn't even know. Okay, so there you go. So that the closer you get to this is how you can find where the power is leaking. There you go. The sensor is going crazy. The closer I bring it to the distributor. So that is the distributor giving up a signal, and this multimeter is detecting the static. Oh yeah, and also we've got a distributor here, coil that will also be discharging a static as well. So yeah, it's receiving it everywhere. Battery, no. So it's definitely static from the distributor. That's nothing to worry about. Let's check on this radiator again, guys. I might be lucky here with this purchase. I might have a good engine. Just might need a service. I might change the spark plugs and the point gap in the distributor here. That'll probably be in another video. I'll try and make that one tomorrow when it's lit up in the daytime. I'll try and film that properly so I don't have to balance up the torch with me. So I've got a good pump. I know a water pump works. This radiator's looking all fine. I've got a couple of leaks. I have a working carburetor, even though I probably could use a rebuild. But now my questions have been answered. I have a working engine. I got a functioning engine here. Ooh, 13.6. So we've gone up a little bit. Very good, very good. I've got some brake fluid hydraulics to work on. I don't know if they're leaking, but they were empty. The brake reservoirs were empty, so I filled them up already. I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed, guys. Very impressed. I'm gonna give it some more water. Just in case it overboils. I don't want it to have any issues here. Guys, this is really nice. Really, really good. I'm happy. You don't understand how happy I am right now. I was prepared to take off the head gasket. Who knows? Maybe I still need to do it. I don't know. I don't want to celebrate too soon. There could still be an issue with the head gasket because it is misfiring. It's missing. But that could be just a simple... Let's see, any spark. That could just be a simple cable issue here. Could be spark plugs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come back, I think. Anyway, guys, I'll pause the video now. I'll come back to you in a bit. I might sign off right now. You might see me tomorrow, or you might see me in a few minutes. I'm signing out now. See you later. Bye.